So you and Jen made a really good plan, but you hadn't bought the house yet.
Yeah, we hadn't actually, I hadn't actually signed the contract for the house yet. We were doing it all before.
And then all of this stuff started arriving at our house.
So it had no place to go but stay in our living room and hallway.
Which is this room, and it was full of boxes.
Yeah, there was a lot of stuff. And then the hard, not the hard part, but it was a little frustrating, is some things we wanted to ship in its, or, take it up with its box, but then there were other things I needed to open up and see what was in there.
Yeah, it was fun.
It wasn't that fun.
And then despite all that stuff that arrived, there was some stuff you still needed, so then you had to go shopping for the extras.
Yeah, are you so glad you didn't have to do that with me?
Yes.
So I ordered a ton of stuff yesterday from our boards, but there were lots of things that were either out of stock or I couldn't get in the next week or two. So we are gonna drop by Home Goods, Michael's, Target, and just go take a peek at anything where we were missing the product or we couldn't get it or we couldn't, it's like way far out. We do have a couple of things that are like 30 days out that I went ahead and ordered, but we're trying to gather everything up so that this is like a seamless install and we can do it kind of fast. Ooh, I like this. This was the original one I grabbed, and I do like it, but these are a little bit closer to color, I think. That's kind of cute. All right, well, Felicity was off smelling flowers. I changed my mind about the pots again, and I got this one. Oh. Except for you can't see it because there's so many pillows in the way. So I switched it for that one. I really like it. I think it's big enough for the olive tree. Mom.
I'm here being the videographer. I'm recording. I'm super excited about the house at Bear Lake. That seems sarcastic.
Yeah, it totally did.
Bear Lake is cool.
This is what I really want to know. Explain to me the whole thing where teenagers only say like a single syllable right now.
Facts. I don't know. We do that because it's easier and no one wants to talk.
The one that confuses me is L.
So L, it's more of just like, you're a loser, and we don't want to say that out loud, so we're just like, L. Not really, though. I don't know. It's just like,
but it doesn't really mean you're a loser, because you'll use it kind of randomly.
Yeah. It's just funny.
All right, I'm gonna go get 3 more frames from Michael's because our other ones didn't have enough. Okay, I'm gonna see ya. Tired.
So I finally signed the contract. The house was ours. We went up with the kids and they had a good time.
And then we came back here and loaded a U-Haul full of all the stuff that was here at the house to take up there.
Best is Boo overseeing the whole thing.
And we loaded up both our car and the U-Haul.
I mean, it's moving. Everybody loves moving, right?
Oh my gosh, it was the worst. So we get up to Bear Lake and it's way snowier than we thought it would be. And kind of scary, actually.
We got there later in the day than we wanted to, And so the snow, the sun was still up, but during the time that the sun was up, I actually was shoveling the driveway before the snow froze again, before it was shovelable. So.
But that was the problem. It was melting, and then it turned to ice, and we were carrying all of these boxes on ice.
It was pretty scary. There were a couple of falls, thankfully nothing serious, but still, we got some bumps and bruises. Hey, this little beauty. Oh, you okay? I think you followed too close. I think that's on you. Oh, are you okay?
No, I can't stand up. I'll fall over. Hold on.
Okay.
Let me sit down.
Okay.
Okay, so my leg feels better. It's not seizing anymore. It's just seizing on the back of the calf. It's like really sore now.
Yeah. So here's what I think.
At first, I really thought I had hurt something because I hit my knee.
Oof.
But whatever I did hit it just like seized the back of the muscle. This moving thing in the snow is not okay. I don't like it.
I was gonna say that there's an element of this that is even unsafe. Like,
what are we gonna do? Like we can't. It's getting colder outside. It's icier.
yeah, we just gotta hurry and unload the truck and call it a day.
We were gonna load all the stuff up.
We're just gonna have to leave it here until the snow melts,
Wait.
like next week.
Okay.
Come
I'm
bring
like,
another
when
U-Haul
the
truck.
snow melts, I'm like, that's gonna be when. Do you really think it's gonna be next week?
Got a timeline, but let's look at the weather.
Already like a month behind schedule.
I know. The high tomorrow is going to be 26. Saturday it's going to be 29. Sunday 32. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday it's supposed to snow. So like by about mid-April. Narrator voice. The short-termers were facing real difficulties and obstacles with the growing darkness and the increasing cold and the freezing ground. Okay, this is where I take it. Yep.
No, Josh, you're gonna hurt your back.
I'm not.
It seemed a lot easier when you and Megan were doing this morning.
Well, that's because there was no ice and because Megan lifts weights. That's what she said.
What are you saying about me? I lift weights.
I know.
They're usually 10 pounds though.
Yeah, I think
This is what I felt.
I think Megan goes harder than that.
You think?
I think so. All right, we got it all done.
Yeah.
This is fantastic.
2.5 hour drive home. Be safe.
I will see you Saturday.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we're gonna go down. This has made me so nervous because you aren't seeing very much road.